Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working in Unity and suddenly all your textures turn pink, don't worry, this is a common issue and I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few steps. The pink textures happen because your materials aren't compatible with the current render pipeline. To fix this, we need to make sure the Universal Render Pipeline is installed. Go to Window, Package Manager, then select Unity Registry at the top. In the search bar, type Pipeline and look for Universal Render Pipeline. If it's not installed, click Install. If it is, you're good to go. Now, we need to convert our project so that all the materials work properly. Go to Window, Rendering.Render Pipeline Converter. Here you'll see some checkboxes. Make sure you select Rendering Settings, Material Upgrade. Then, click Converter Asset and hit Initialize and Convert. Unity will now update everything for you. And that's it! Your pink textures should be gone, and everything should look normal again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.